Alright, hello guys. Today I'm going to show you how to use IV in pairs loops. Okay, so to start off, we need to do something to run the script on. Okay, so I'll just run it on, let's think. So you can make, so with this you could make like, okay, so if I have a part right here, let's just do like 3 parts. Okay, so 3 parts in the workspace. Okay, if you I'll add a script into the server script storage, or server script service actually. So okay, to start off, I'll explain what this does before we script it. Okay, so I'm gonna name all of these kill. Okay, so what this script that I'm gonna do is it's gonna search the workspace and find all the bricks called kill, and then when they're touched, they kill you. Alright, simple enough. Okay, so if we go into the script, we can do for IV in pairs. I can't type. Do. Okay, so basically what I means is it's the index, which means, okay, here, so we can get children. Okay, so this will search the workspace for all of its children, so then we can print I dot v. Yeah. Okay, and then it'll print the index, and then it'll print the value, which is like oops, yeah. Okay, so we can see that camera is the first object in the index, okay, and that base plate is the second object in the index, terrain is the third object, kill fourth, fifth is kill, and sixth is kill. Okay, so basically it scans all of the workspace like that. I'm thinking of another example. You could also do this to figure out which number they are in the index. Yeah, it'll come up with the exact same thing, but in a different format like that. So let's clear that. So we want to find every object called kill. So we could do if v dot name is equal, this is equals in like the if statements, okay, to kill, do, or it's then, yeah, that's why. So if v dot name is equal to kill, then, and actually you could, this isn't really important, like if you don't understand this, like it's fine, I'm just gonna like show you a tip. So you could do v dot lower case equals v dot name lower, okay, if case, so it won't even matter what the capitalization is, okay, rename kill, rename like kill, and then I'll have that as that. Okay, so print v.name, so it'll print like the original name right there. So let's test this out. Okay, it prints kill, kill, kill. Okay, so the capitalization doesn't matter. because it turns it into lowercase letters, okay, and then it searches if like the object, like its name is in lowercase, and then you can use its original name, but we don't need that for this, okay. Then you can do v dot touched, because v is the value from up here, v dot touched connect function. Okay, if you don't know what this does, this is an event for when it's touched. So when it's touched, okay, it'll connect to this function right here. So then you can there's actually a parameter right here that you can use that that this is the thing that touches it. So if we print object, which is what I'm calling it, it doesn't matter what you call that, it'll print in the workspace, in the output, it'll print what touched it. So if I touch it with my body, it'll be like all this stuff, okay? So you can do parent, okay? So you can do local character equals object.parent, and basically what this means is local character means it's locally for this loop, okay? It's local for this loop in this function, so it cannot be used like anywhere else. So if you have to use an if statement here to make sure that it's an actual player, so character dot yeah, we already found the parent, so character find first child humanoid, and character dot humanoid dot health is more than 0, then character dot humanoid take damage 100. So you take 100 damage every time you touch this, and you're a character, okay? If you're an actual player and you touch this, and your health is already more than 0, then you will take 100 damage. Okay, let's test this out. There's this part. Alright, and then we die. Okay? So it works for any of these bricks. Do another example. If you do understand it, just stop it. You can just stop, like, you know. But here, I'll do another example. So let's insert these 3 random parts. Okay, and let's name them. It's good to rename them so you can actually like individually inject kind of inject the script into them. So rainbow touch. Okay. So let's do can't type. Okay. So for IV in like index and value in pairs do, and then here's our loop, okay, and then in here we have to do game.workspace get children. Okay, you can do this for anything. It doesn't have to be the workspace. It could be like a folder or like a model, and it'll index everything inside of that model or folder or wherever it is. Like it could be in one of the services in the Explorer. Even so, we can do v dot local lowercase equals v dot name lower. So it doesn't matter if it's uppercase or lowercase letters, it'll all become lowercase in case you mess up, so it'll be easier to fix. or it will not matter technically if you mess up the capitalization in one of these. So if lowercase, which is the lowercase name of the part, equals rainbow touch. So we got to make sure that this isn't capitalized at all, because we're going to be seeing if the lowercase version of this will be equal to this. Then, okay, so if the name is rainbow touch, then it'll do this script in like kind of inject it. Alright, so we can do v.touched connect function. Okay, this is the easiest thing I can think of for beginners. So we can then do v.color equals color 3.new, and then math.random 1 through 255, and then let's just copy and paste this. There we go. Okay, so if it's touched, then it'll get a new color, and then that will be randomly picked from all of these. Okay, if that makes sense. So let's see if this works. Look, it gives it a random color every time we touch it. Okay, so this is like a completely random color. Actually, not completely random. To do completely random, you have to do math.random seed and then tick. Okay, you have to do that up there for completely, almost completely random. That you cannot, like, basically you can't choose. I like the legacy lighting more than this, so I'm gonna pick legacy. But as you can see, these are completely random colors. Okay, so hopefully you enjoyed this tutorial. I might make more if this one does good. Thank you for watching, and peace out.